After opening the file, Excel will prompt for enabling the content. So after enabling the content, enter the details in the detail sheet. Here drop down menu is available. Material science and engineering and mechanical engineering are the two options here to enter. Name tab, we need to type your name manually after selecting proper designation. The same case is for subject code and title. We need to enter manually. For semester, drop down menu is available. Choose the semester appropriately. In session and year, we need to type the session and year manually. In batch details, we can select from the drop down menu. After entering details, switch to assessment 1 tab. Once if we press the reset option, all the data will be erased like this. We need to enter the data manually starting from the register number, then corresponding COs, weightage and student scores details. Press submit. The CO attainment for assessment 1 is calculated like this. Don't press the submit button twice, then we need to erase the data from the start as the marks will be doubled. After entering the proper data, we should move on to assessment 2. The same procedure is done as like assessment 1 for assessment 2 as well as the end semester examination. Then we shall move on to CO calculation sheet. Once if the reset button is pressed, all the data will be erased like this. This roll number will be mapped from assessment 1, so no need to write it. Then division by 0 error will be there, just press OK. The strength of students data is calculated automatically, so no need to type it manually. Then we need to choose the docket from drop down menu starting from 50 to 75, or you can type it manually. Then we have to press the calculate CO attainment. The CO attainment is calculated. Then we have to move to PO PSO calculation. Pressing reset, we need to enter the PO CO manually from the syllabus book. Then submitting will give us the PO PSO attainment. In plots, we have plot CO attainment button. Once we press it, the graphs will be plotted for internals as well as the semester examination.